Welcome back. I'm Leanna Lane. This is night 9 of your 28-night nervous system reset. Tonight, we confront a gentle truth. We are stepping away from the world of doing and entering the world of being. In our modern lives, we are often told our value is measured by our output, our to-do lists, our paychecks, our usefulness to others. But tonight, the forest has a gift for you, the mirror of truth. By the end of this session, the heavy armor of achievement will fall away, leaving you light, worthy, and ready for a deep, ego-free sleep. If you are just joining us for this reset, you can find the previous nights in the playlist below. For now, you are exactly where you need to be. There is no goal to reach tonight. No gold star for relaxing. Inhale deeply, filling your chest with the quiet. Let the air settle, and exhale with a long, slow release. Imagine you are walking further along the mossy path. The trees part, revealing a hidden clearing. In the center lies a pool of water so still, it looks like a sheet of dark glass. This is the mirror of truth. Walk to the water's edge. Listen. The only sound is the soft rhythm of your own breathing. Breathe in the cool silver mist of the water. Breathe out, letting the weight of your responsibilities drop onto the shore. Look down into the water. In this mirror, you do not see your tired eyes or the stress of the day. You see your light. It is a soft, steady glow that exists whether you worked today or not. Visualize your achievements as heavy stones in your pockets. One by one, take them out and set them on the grass. They are too heavy to carry into sleep. Take a deep, intentional breath in. Hold that breath, acknowledging your inherent value. And as you exhale, feel the lie that you are not enough leave your body, dissolving into the mist. Whisper to yourself, "My worth is not a reward. It is my birthright." The mirror of truth shows you the person behind the titles. Like the water, you are deep. Like the water, you are essential. Even when you are perfectly still, you are powerful. Inhale the clarity of the clearing. Exhale and soften your shoulders, letting the hustle drain away. Whisper to yourself, I am whole when I am resting. I am complete when I am still. Your nervous system is exhaling with you. It no longer needs to perform for safety. Feel the performance mask slipping off, sinking into the cool earth. Slowly breathe in the silver light of the pool. Exhale and release the tension in your stomach. The world's expectations cannot cross the water's edge. They stay on the other side of the forest. Here there is only the reflection of your peaceful soul. Take a long cleansing breath in and let it out like a ripple across the pond. Let this affirmation settle. I do not need to earn my rest. I am worthy of peace simply because I exist. Imagine you lie down on the soft, cool sand beside the mirror. The earth supports your spine, unburdened by the day's tasks. You are held by the truth of your own goodness. Inhale the purity of the mirror. Exhale and feel your limbs becoming heavy, sinking into the quiet. Remind your heart, tonight I am enough exactly as I am. Imagine a soft blue light rising from the water. It washes over your feet. Through your hips. Through your heart. Clearing away the dust of doing and leaving the shine of being. Breathe into your chest, feeling it expand like the tide. Effortless and automatic. You are valued. You are precious. You are free. Listen to the silence of the mirror. Each breath is a confirmation of your life. You are not a machine. You are a miracle of nature, like the trees and the water. And nature does not rush. Breathe in the stillness of the clearing. Breathe out and let your mind go smooth and dark, like the water at night. Notice the muscles of your brow. Let the cool mist smooth them. Notice your heart rate. Let it match the slow pulse of the forest. Whisper to yourself, I release the need to be productive. I embrace the need to be at peace. Inhale the scent of clean water and stone. Exhale and let your body feel anchored, safe, and still. If a thought about tomorrow appears, see it as a leaf on the water. Watch it float. And watch it drift out of sight. You don't need to pick it up. You are the stillness beneath the surface. Remind yourself, my rest is my power. I surrender to it now. You are drifting away from the world of numbers and noise. The reflection in the mirror is fading into the soft dark. You are being carried into a deep, restorative sleep. Your nervous system is calm. Your heart is full. Your worth is certain. The mirror will stay here, reflecting your light while you dream. We will be here to meet you again for night 10. But for now, there is only the water. Only the truth. Only the deep, dark quiet. One last deep breath in, savoring your existence, and release everything. Sleep now in the reflection of peace. Into the dream.